Hello my friends, this is TechRover. In this quick tutorial video, I just want to check out for Ultra HD graphics setting of Mobile Legends Bang Bang in my Samsung Galaxy A50. So before, I just want to open the setting in my device and you will see the Ultra HD graphics setting is completely unavailable here on this setting. But I just want to show you one trick to get HD graphics setting of Mobile Legends with this application, which is completely free, Gamer GL tool, free with Game Turbo and Game Toner. And even you can check for the comments. They're all about 5 stars on the comment about this application, and I've used this one and it looks very nice. I've tested the HD graphics setting of Mobile Legends with this application. Even it's going to work for PUBG and other games also, not only for Mobile Legends. By the way, I want to test it now here on my Android device on this video. I'm just going to open this application in my Samsung Galaxy A50, then click on next, and then click on continue. Once you're done, you just have to give allow, and then you have to choose your application or the game you just want here to get the HD graphic or both it. Whatever, you can do both of them. We go to app lists and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will get your apps here on this application, and I'm going to choose Mobile Legends Bang Bang from here, and this is the one I talk about, and I'm going to click on yes. Then we're back here on home and Mobile Legends Bang Bang has been selected on our application, and we go back here. We have the setting here on this button. Just click on this and you will get all the setting about resolution, graphics, FPS and everything. We just go back here on the resolution, just have to go on the high resolution, which is here HD. And if you get a small advertisement, you can turn off the internet of your phone that time when you just want to do the setup of the game. And let me do for next step. And we're back here, choose the HDR here on this graphic setting also, click on select, and we're back here in FPS. We go to choose extreme, then click on select, and we're back here on the next step. We have the movie, click on movie, and then we go for next about shadow, click on enable. And for the last one, just you have to enable this one also to get very high and ultra movie graphic in our Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So we just click on select, done, everything be okay here on this application. Now time to open the app from here on this application. Now we're going to turn on the internet, and we're back here, click on this, apply settings, and then go ahead for launch the game, and let's do it. And here we go, you can see this is the HD graphics setting I talk about with that app we did here on our Android device, but my camera is not going to show it very well. It's like blurry now here on the camera, but you can test it, which is completely free app from the Play, so you can download it now. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye my friends.